What if I told you that the entire video production industry is about to be completely disrupted? Not by some massive Hollywood studio, not by a tech giant with unlimited resources, but by a single AI tool that's quietly revolutionizing how we create content. I'm talking about InVideo AI 3.0, and after spending 90 days testing every major text-to-video platform on the market, I can confidently say this: InVideo AI isn't just competing with other AI video tools, it's completely redefining what's possible. Here's what most people don't realize. While everyone's been talking about Sora AI and Runway, tools that aren't even publicly available yet, InVideo AI has been quietly building something far more powerful. Something that's already live, already working, and already generating millions of dollars for creators worldwide. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why InVideo AI has become the undisputed champion of text-to-video generation. We'll dive deep into the features that set it apart, the real-world results it's producing, and most importantly, how you can leverage this technology to transform your content creation process forever. But first, let me share something that will blow your mind. The AI video generation space is a mess right now, and I mean that literally. You've got Sora AI making headlines with impressive demos, but good luck actually using it. It's not available to the public. You've got Runway generating beautiful clips, but they're just that. Clips. Short, disconnected pieces that require hours of manual editing to become anything useful. Then you have dozens of other tools promising the world. Generate Hollywood-quality videos with a single prompt. But when you actually try them, disappointment, generic stock footage compilations, robotic voiceovers, watermarks everywhere, and price tags that would make your accountant cry. Here's the brutal truth: most AI video tools are solving the wrong problem. They're focused on generating pretty visuals while completely ignoring what creators actually need: complete, publish-ready videos that don't require a film degree to produce. That's where InVideo AI changes everything. InVideo AI 3.0 launched with a promise that seemed too good to be true. Generate complete, professional videos from a single text prompt. Not just clips, not just visuals. Complete videos, with scripts, voiceovers, music, transitions, captions, and even custom-generated footage, all from one prompt. I'll be honest, I was skeptical. I've tested dozens of AI tools that overpromise and underdeliver, but then I tried it myself. I typed in a simple prompt: create a 1-minute ad video for a New York-based apple pie shop with a blue color scheme. Don't include human faces, only cinematic shots of apple pie being made. What happened next changed my entire perspective on AI video generation. In under 4 minutes, InVideo AI delivered a complete, professional-quality advertisement. Every single pixel was AI generated. The script was compelling, the voiceover was natural, the visuals were stunning, and the pacing? Perfect. This wasn't just a tool generating clips, this was a complete production team working at the speed of thought. Let's break down exactly what makes InVideo AI the undisputed leader in this space. First, complete video generation. While other tools give you fragments, InVideo AI gives you the whole package. Here's what gets generated automatically: professional scripts tailored to your specific requirements, natural-sounding voiceovers in multiple languages and accents, custom AI-generated footage that matches your exact vision, background music that complements your content's mood, smooth transitions that maintain professional flow, branded captions with multiple styling options, proper pacing that keeps viewers engaged. This isn't just convenience, this is revolutionary. You're getting what would normally require a team of scriptwriters, voice actors, video editors, and motion graphics specialists, all from a single prompt. Second, intelligent workflow system. InVideo AI doesn't just throw AI at the problem randomly. It uses structured workflows that guide the AI to produce specific types of content. Want to create an educational video? There's a workflow for that. Need a product advertisement? Dedicated workflow. Building social media content? Specialized workflow. Creating animated shorts? Custom workflow. Each workflow is like having a specialized production team that understands the unique requirements of different content types. This is why InVideo AI videos look professional while other AI tools produce generic content. Third, post-generation editing power. Here's where InVideo AI absolutely destroys the competition. You can edit everything after generation using simple text commands. Don't like a scene? Type a command to regenerate it. Want to change the music? Simple text prompt. Need to adjust the script? Edit it directly and the AI updates everything. Want the video in Spanish? One command translates everything. Voice, captions, timing. This isn't just editing, this is conversational video production. You're literally having a dialogue with an AI production team that can implement changes instantly. Now let me show you the real-world results that prove InVideo AI's superiority. I created a faceless YouTube channel called Heroes of the Bible using nothing but InVideo AI. No camera, no editing software, no voice recording. The results? One video got 11,000 views and 71 new subscribers overnight. The channel is consistently growing with zero manual editing required. But here's what's really impressive. The content quality is indistinguishable from professionally produced videos. Viewers have no idea it's AI generated unless I tell them. Let's talk numbers, because this is where InVideo AI becomes absolutely unstoppable. Traditional video production for a single ad, script writing, $300 to $500, voice talent, $200 to $400, video editing, $500 to $1,000, motion graphics, $300 to $600, total of $1,300 to $2,500 per video. InVideo AI costs for the same video, $3 to $5 in credits. But here's the real kicker. If you need that same video in 5 different languages, traditional production, $6,500 to $12,500. InVideo AI, it's still just $3 to $5 total. We're not talking about minor cost savings here. We're talking about a 99% reduction in video production costs while maintaining professional quality. Let me be crystal clear about something. We're witnessing the birth of a new era in content creation. The creators who master AI tools like InVideo AI today will dominate their industries tomorrow. While others are still learning traditional video editing, AI-powered creators will be producing content at 100 times the speed and 1/100th the cost. InVideo AI isn't just the best text-to-video tool available right now, it's your competitive advantage in the attention economy. The question isn't whether AI will transform video creation, it already has. The question is, will you be leading this transformation or watching from the sidelines? InVideo AI gives you the power to lead. The technology is here. The results are proven. The only thing left is your decision to act. The future of video creation is in your hands. What will you create? Ooh.